Hey guys, today we're going to be solving this problem and I'm going to get straight into it. So I'm going to rewrite the function actually right here. And to solve this problem, you sort of have to know the concept behind it, which is that when you are solving for the domain of a function, you must, for a square root, by the way, this is specific to a function with a square root, you must set everything inside of the square root greater than or equal to 0. So like this. Now, so in order to solve for this, I would do that the square root, right, of 9 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. With that, I would solve for x. So in order to solve for x, I have to get rid of the square root. So I'm going to square both sides, and 0 squared is 0, and this cancels the square roots, and it just becomes 9 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. And I'm going to add the x over to this side, and I'm going to get that 9 is greater than or equal to x, and if that confuses you, x is less than or equal to 9. And now, the domain of this function is just going to be the interval we construct from this inequality. So if they're saying that x is less than or equal to 9, that means that x cannot be bigger than 9, right? It can be at the most the same. So that means from anywhere from negative infinity, let's just say is right here, even though it doesn't have an endpoint, to 9 is where x can exist. But beyond to the positive infinity, x cannot exist. So the interval would be negative infinity to 9, and infinity is always in parentheses, and then 9 is included, so we put brackets because this indicates that it's included, and it indicates as well that x can be 9.